Are you looking for how to fix a network error has awkward Google Sheets? In this video, I show you how to fix a network error has awkward on Google Sheets problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google Sheets, tap on Google Sheets, up-to-date your Google Sheets app if available any update version. Now go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now tap on see all apps. Now search for Google Sheets, tap on Sheets, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open Google Sheets app. Now you can see that it's working. Now I hope that this method fix Google Sheets a network has error has awkward problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.